In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Disney AI photo trend video CapCut template. We'll build your Disney-style AI photo trend video using CapCut, and the process is simple. Start by heading to CapCut.com in your browser, or open the CapCut desktop app if you have it installed. Once you're in the workspace, look for the Templates section. This is where CapCut groups pre-made designs that you can quickly customize without editing from scratch. Use the search bar at the top and type the word Disney, then press enter to load the results. You'll see a range of Disney-inspired AI templates. Pick the one that matches the look and timing you want. A quick tip here, check the aspect ratio and the number of image slots the template uses. For vertical social posts, a 9:16 template is ideal, and selecting one with the right number of photo placeholders will save you time. Click Use this template to open it in the editor. You'll be prompted to add your media. Click Upload and select your photos. For the best AI effect, use high-resolution portraits with good lighting and a clear view of the face. Avoid blurry images or heavily cropped photos, as those can lead to softer results. Make sure you have the right to use any photos you upload. Next, open the audio panel if you want to adjust the soundtrack. You can replace the default audio with something from CapCut's library or use your own track. After choosing, balance the volume so the music enhances the visuals without overpowering them. Now give everything a quick review, play the preview from the beginning and watch for any misaligned images, faces that are cut off, or timing that feels offbeat. If needed, swap a photo, adjust the crop, or nudge the timing to align with the beat. When you're happy with it, click Export to prepare your final video. In the export settings, set a clear name so you can find your file easily. Choose your resolution. 1080p is a great balance of quality and file size, while 4K is an option if you need maximum clarity. Set the quality to high to keep details crisp. For frame rate, 30 FPS works well for social platforms and keeps motion smooth. Finally, select your format. MP4 is widely compatible and recommended for sharing. Click Download to save the file to your device. That's it. Your Disney AI photo trend video is ready to post. If you want consistent results, save your preferred export settings for next time. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating your magical AI transformation.